method. So the method starting letter small. So if you joining in the two things, so make picture two things. If you joining another thing, so the first letter must be a capital letter. Please, this is for if you give, if you do not give, that is a separate issue. But so if it is a method, if it is a method, so we representing, if you combine the two things, then the first letter must be a small letter, the second thing must, first letter must be a capital letter. Please be in your mind. Okay, you are combining means joining, make pictures, make sound, right? So two things, this is naming convention. If you write any class name, the starting letter must be a capital letter. Starting letter, capital letter. Please make a note. Okay, these are the fundamental rules in Java programming as well as Python. Any object oriented programming language, we have to write some specific notations. Those notations are like this. Okay, if you write any method, just you simply write, means combine two things. If it is, for example, make is available, so make file, that's it. But if you are joining another member, another variable, sorry, another thing, then you must be prepared, you must be right. The second thing, first letter must be a capital. But these are functions we created to make it easy to create objects from these classes. So this is classes. Classes is file. Okay. Now, next, create objects in Python. So how do we create? See, use class name. I told you previous. I told you, right. So once you write any class name, C capital. Combine second one. If you combine anything, so you must write first letter must be a capital letter. Class name. So you want to pass the values, value 1, value 2, up to value n. So here picture, that file, create a picture. Sound, file, create a sound. World, create a world. So here class name, you want to pass this one, but inside the class, so picture is one method, sound is one method, word is one method. See, one student having, one student is one attribute here, right? In a class, one student is having CGPA, right? One student having their own name, their own roll number, their own CGPA, they got some certificates. See, for example, you compare with another student, so maybe she is getting 4 certificates, another girl getting only 2 certificates. The difference is here, but their CGPA is something, so her CGPA is another something. So both are not matching, maybe or may not be, right? So her name is different, that another girl name is also different. See, the differentiation, roll number is different. So this is what I am saying is, in a class has some attributes and methods. So that is what picture, for example, one girl has so the own behavior, so then own attributes. There maybe some girl, maybe in painting, so she knows the painting, then art or drawing. So this is another quality. So one student got certificates, so she is concentrating on programming language, she will getting certificate, right? So one student, so some other art, so any kind of, so the difference is there for one girl to another girl. So both are not similar in equality. You can check, you can inquiry. So this is what, that is what object oriented programming is, real life entity. Why I am saying so, because of this reason is this one. So now picture is one quality, sound is one quality, so word is one. So these are three different methods are available in a particular class. Okay, name the objects that are created. See, earth is equals to world method. So Tina is equals to turtle of earth. So Tina is equals to the turtle of earth. So world is sending to earth now. So then turtle of earth. So then Shu is equals to turtle of earth. So then use the name to ask the object to do something. Object name dot function. Object name dot functions. Now see, this is object name. Object name is, this is name of the object dot your function. So this Tina dot forward. See, Tina means turtle dot earth. This is, so your world is converted to sending to earth. That turtle of earth is sending to Tina. Now Tina forward. So the method forward is, so what we have written in the forward method. So immediately that Tina is forwarded to something. Now this Tina is object. Object. Understand? So then now see turtle behaviors. So one turtle behavior. So in turtle, you know everyone. So what kind of behavior it is available? So one kind of an example. So forward by 100 pixel. So this is forward by 100 pixel forward method. Then forward of amount means forward by amount, some amount. So then turn left. So the turtle turn left 90 degrees. Then turn right 90 degrees. Then turn degrees. So you can give some position, right and negative is left or right whatsoever. Then pen up means pick up the pen. Next, pen down, put pen down. So move to x comma y direction, location. So set color blue. Set pen width, the width of the pen. Then set visible false. See here. So means this is the behavior of one turtle. So if you think like in a human, so the human behavior, the human tendency, so then you can like for example, if you take your own mentality, if your own behavior, right? So then from morning to evening, how you will do it? So then the past 10 years, next 10 years, right? So you can check like this. This is called as the behavior of a particular thing. Okay, next, then challenge. So use turtle to draw a square, right? Use turtle to draw a square. How to create the draw the turtle? Use a turtle to draw blocks of color wide pen trail. See like this. So this is drawing a some turtle like something. Next, create a subclass. How to create a subclass? Class I have created, then now subclass will be creating. Class smart turtle colon definition draw square of self. This is a function. Self for I in range 0 comma 4 self dot turn right. So your self dot turn right. The self is your object here. So self dot turn right. Then self dot forward. So now earth is equals to world. Smart is equals to smart turtle dot this earth one. Smarty dot draw square. The square will be drawing on this like this. This is called how to create a subclass. I will tell you in the using the program. Right now, another one. So how to pass parameters into that? How to pass a parameters? So before going to that, so then I can show you using another PowerPoint presentation. So then what kind of an object, how to create the object? See now, in this which is available, take some diagrams into this. See, this is object oriented programming language. Like object in Python, representation of a person, a place, a bank, bank account, a car, or any item that the program should handle. So see, if you write a person, person behavior, person mentality, we can write. So if a place, we can write. A bank account, we can write the program. So then a car, so car has. So then I will tell you one by one. Then any item that the program should handle, program should handle any one of the item, that is called as object in Python representation. See, object oriented programming recipe. Define classes, that these are description. So make object instance out of classes. See here, what is object oriented programming recipe? One is for you should define the class. How to define the class? That is called as a description of your program. So then what is make object instances out of class? See, for example, these are the cars are available, which is showing. Then here, okay, so these are indicates